गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आयुष नेट 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर जिसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन पेपर काफ़ी डिफरेंट है जिन क्वेश्चन पेपर को अपन अभी तक डिस्कस कर चुके हैं इन द सेंस, क्योंकि इसके अंदर अभी तक जितना हमने क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस किए हैं उनमें होम्योपैथी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन थे या अलाइड के सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चन थे। यहाँ पे आपको होम्योपैथी अलाइड के क्वेश्चन तो है ही हैं, साथ में आपके फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी अप टू 12th क्लास जो हम पढ़ते हैं उनके भी क्वेश्चन हैं, एप्टीट्यूड के भी क्वेश्चन हैं। क्योंकि ये रिसर्च के काम के पेपर है तो फिर यहाँ पे रिसर्च बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, तो ये इस तरह से काफ़ी डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर है और काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट भी है। तो लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। थ्योरी दैट एक्सप्लेन अबाउट inheritance of acquired characters on the basis of evolutionary process was proposed by J.B. Lamarck. Next question. The process of zone refining is based on. Right answer is fractional crystallization. Third question. Research related to some abstract idea or theories is called. It is called as conceptual research. ये conceptual research की definition ही है जो डायरेक्टली इन्होंने पूछ ली है, और जैसा मैंने बताया था यहाँ पे रिसर्च बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी आपको आगे भी मिलेंगे, तो रिसर्च से संबंधित क्वेश्चन था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है प्री डिटरमाइन नंबर ऑफ सैंपल्स टेकन फ्रॉम ईच ग्रुप आफ्टर ड्यूली एग्रीगेटिंग द पॉपुलेशन इनटू वेरियस ग्रुप्स is called. It is called as quota sampling. A question from statistics sampling part. Question number 5 कहता है what will be the volume of one molecule of water if the density of water is 1 gram centimeter cube? The right answer is option 4, 2.99 into 10 raised to power minus 23 by centimeter cube. Question number 6. Which of the following is an informal experimental design? The right answer is option 4, before and after without control design. Question number 7. Correlation between two variables can be measured or studied in all of the following except. The right answer is snowball sampling. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a function of parenchymatous tissue found in plants? The right answer is option 4, water transport. Question number 9. In clinical trials, ethical issues are applied in which stage? Again a research based question. The right answer is all stages. Question number 10. Dash is defined as a mathematical expression of the likelihood of the occurrence of an event. The right answer is probability. 11th question. Mycorrhiza represent an example of symbiotic relationship of root of plant and fungus. Question number 12. A well-designed trial should answer important public health questions without impairing individuals' welfare is the right answer. 13th question. Subjective assessment of attitude, opinion and behavior refer to. It is called qualitative approach. 14th. ANCOVA stand for analysis of covariance. Question number 15. Which of the following compound does not have ionic bond? The right answer is HCl. Question number 16. The ratio of speed of red light of wavelength 700 nanometer and violet light of wavelength 400 nanometer, the vacuum is 1. Question number 17. Cathode ray have same E by M ratio as. The right answer is beta rays. Number 18. A difficulty that a researcher experiences in the context of either a theoretical or practical solution want to obtain a solution in general referred to. It is called as research problem. Question number 19. If the mass of the bob of a simple pendulum is half, time period of oscillation it will remain unchanged. Question number 20. In the context of ethical issues, conflict of interest can lead to bias in all of the following except. Right answer is gender. Question number 21. Deliberate sampling is also known as. It is known as purposive sampling. Question number 22. Which of the following is the strongest force in nature? Right answer is strong nuclear force. Question number 23. Which of the following characteristic is unlikely to be present in a plant commonly found in desert? The right answer is divided leaves to have large surface area. Number 24. All of the following are component of research problem except. आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान रहे एक्सेप्ट बताना है। तो सभी ऑप्शन को देखने के बाद एक्सेप्ट वाला ऑप्शन बैठता है ऑप्शन 1, देयर मस्ट बी वैक्यूम टू विच द डिफिकल्टी पर्टेन। Number 25. Study of relationship between two or more variable is called. It is called as correlation. Question number 26. Which of the following element represent highly electropositive as well as highly electronegative element in its period? Hydrogen is the right answer. Question number 27. Two solid spheres of same diameter but different masses are dropped simultaneously from a tower. Just before reaching they have same ground पे आने से पहले उनका क्या रहेगा सेम। द राइट आंसर इज एक्सेलरेशन विल बी सेम फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम। नंबर 28. ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सैम्पलिंग एक्सेप्ट इट कंज्यूम टाइम। दिस इज नॉट द एडवांटेज ऑफ सैम्पलिंग। ठीक है। Question number 29. A lens from a real image at a distance of 60 centimeter of an object placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of it. What is the focal length? Plus 15 centimeter. Question number 30th. A student sitting on the last bench cannot read the letters on the blackboard but is able to read the letters written on the textbook. इसको क्या डिफेक्ट है? मायोपिया। हमारे सब्जेक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन चालू होने वाले हैं। 30 क्वेश्चन थे जो हमने अब तक कर लिए हैं, जो कि रिसर्च बेस्ड थे, एप्टीट्यूड बेस्ड थे, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी बेस्ड थे। हम डिसिप्लिन के क्वेश्चन चालू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द वेनोम ऑफ क्रेट इज। क्रेट जो है कोबरा फैमिली का एक स्नेक है और इसका वेनोम जो है वो न्यूरोटॉक्सिक होता है। नंबर 2. Patient initially experience fever, headache, nausea, epistaxis, generalized body ache, epigastric pain, vomiting and vertigo. In the second phase, he is suffering from jaundice, black vomitus and melena. The lab findings have showed urine hematuria, albuminuria, leukopenia is also present. What is the probable diagnosis? The probable diagnosis is yellow fever. Question number 3. A patient came with a complaint of fever, malaise and headache for the past 1 week. Upon examination, rose spots were observed on the trunk and abdomen. History of diarrhea, abdominal distension and tenderness present. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is typhoid. Question number 4. A child with asthma has 2 to 3 episodes of breathlessness in same night. The episodes occur mostly after midnight and on a few days. There are several episodes of breathlessness around 3 a.m. The child is frightened easily and asthmatic attack follow such instances. The child was fat earlier but now has lost weight. What is the probable remedy? The right answer is Sambucus. Question number 5. Grease or dirt ring is seen with. It is seen with bullet entry. Question number 6. 20 cases of diarrhea were reported among 50 residents of a hostel following a meal. What will be the attack rate among the contact of those cases? The right answer is 40. Question number 7. A person who was hanged as per the judicial procedure would have fracture in which vertebral column? The right answer is C2, C3. Question number 8. A female patient of 35 years reported pain in the neck with fever and malaise. On palpitation, there was a firm irregular enlargement of the thyroid gland. Investigation showed raised ESR and absence of thyroid antibodies. Serum T4 was also slightly raised. What will be the probable diagnosis? The probable diagnosis would be D. thyroiditis. Question number 9. The bodies seen on microscopic examination of liver in viral hepatitis are referred to as. Councilman bodies is the right answer. Question number 10. All increased CVP, central venous pressure, is seen in all except venodilators is the right answer. Number 11. What is the protein concentration in the interstitial fluid in most of the tissue? The right answer is 2 gram per deciliter. Question number 12. A patient of 50 years working in ceramic factory came with a complaint of chronic cough with black expectoration and had eggshell shadow in the X-ray of chest. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is silicosis. Number 13. A patient who has a cardiac history complaint of chest pain with palpitation and orthopnea. Upon examination, the extremities were cold, sweating was present along with central cyanosis. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is pulmonary edema. Question number 14. Which is the first country to socialize medicine completely? The right answer is Russia. Question number 15. A child complained with muscle spasm, stridor and convulsion, torsosine positive. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is hypocalcemia. Question number 16. A patient came with the complaint of abdominal tenderness, rebound tenderness and cervical uterine motion tenderness. On examination, the body temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. What is the probable diagnosis? It is acute salpingitis. Question number 17. Which among the following is a naked polyhedral virus? Option 3 is right. Question number 18. A female patient of 28 years, married for the past 3 years, came with the complaint of acute lower unilateral abdominal pain and with amenorrhea and bleeding per vagina. Upon examination, the patient looked pale with pale tongue, no rise in temperature and no history of gastrointestinal symptoms being present. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is disrupted ectopic is the right answer. Option 4. Question number 19 में आपको 4 नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं 14, 10, 12, 11, 12. इनमें आपको मीन बताना है. तो क्वेश्चन देख के ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि मीन जो है वो 12 जो बीच वाला नंबर है वो है. होम्योपैथिक डोजेस आर सिनोनिम फॉर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 पूछ रहा है कि होम्योपैथिक डोजेस किसका सिनोनिम है, कौन सी डोज का? ऑप्टिमल, माइक्रो, मिनिमल, इनफाइनेटिसिमल. तो इनफाइनेटिसिमल डोजेस होती हैं हमारी होम्योपैथिक डोजेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. A patient came with the complaint of high fever, chill, cough, tachypnea. These complaints are accompanied with watery diarrhea and abdominal pain. This all started with malaise, headache and muscle pain. The patient seemed to be working in an air-conditioned environment. The patient can be diagnosed with which classification of pneumonia? Option 4 is right. Question number 22. A patient came with the complaint of eruptions on the skin with vesicles, discharge being white in color and thick in nature. Scale present on the skin as of dry floor and puffiness being present on ankle joint. Which is the probable remedy for this? Right answer is option 2, Calimure. Question number 23. Patient came with the complaint of fever, headache and malaise. Upon examination, there were inguinal and axillary lymphadenitis as well as abscess formation with ulceration was present. The complaints were accompanied with hydrocele lymphedema of leg. What is the probable diagnosis? Filariasis is the right answer. Option 3 is right. तो here जो तीनों क्वेश्चन थे यहाँ पे वो तीनों डायग्नोसिस बेस्ड थे और 22 में भी आपको उन्होंने पूरा डायग्नोस्टिक बेस बना के फिर रेमेडी पूछा है. तो इसीलिए आपको हर किसी भी पेपर की आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो पीएम पार्ट में डायग्नोस्टिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस की तैयारी अच्छे से करनी है और कई बार रेमेडीज भी पहले आपको डायग्नोसिस निकालना पड़ेगा उसके साथ रेमेडी भी बतानी पड़ेगी. इस तरह क्वेश्चन भी आ जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. The emission of which among the following gases lead to Bhopal gas tragedy 1984? The right answer is option 3, methyl isocyanate gas. Question number 25. Brush burn result from. Right answer is option 4, grazes. Question number 26. A patient came with a complaint of inability to think. The patient is always sad and gloomy and she dislikes to music as it makes her sad. Which among the following could be the probable drug remedy? The right answer is option 3, natrum sulph. Question number 27. Haptic hallucinations are observed in the case of chronic poisoning with. Right answer is cocaine. Question number 28. The sandwich of lipid are also called dash model. The right answer is option 4. Question number 29. Which among the following is incorrect for cohort? Research based question है, cohort study के बारे में पूछ रहा है. यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, इसमें से 3 ऑप्शन सही है, जानकारी जो कोहॉर्ट से संबंधित है। आपको एक जो गलत है वो ऑप्शन टिक करना है, तो ऑप्शन 1 सही है। Question number 30. A patient came with the complaint of pain in the lower half of the abdomen with fever and vomiting. Profuse diarrhea was present with increased frequency of micturition. On palpitation, bilateral abdominal rigidity was observed to be present. What is the probable diagnosis? Again, a diagnostic based question. The right answer is option 4, pneumococcal peritonitis. Number 31. What is mullein oil? The right answer is it is an alcoholic extract. Question number 32. Which of the following agent increases the release of bile into the intestine by contracting the gallbladder? The right answer is cholagogues. 33. Which among the following is not a feature of emphysema? Chest X-ray show large heart. Question number 34. Which of the following deal with the route of administration of drug? The right answer is option 4, pharmaconomy. Question number 35. Post-pneumonic fibrosis is called? It is called carnification. Question number 36. Which among the following layers contain keratohyalin? The right answer is option 2, stratum granulosum. Question number 37. Which of the following is a synonym for the hinge joint? Right answer is option 2. Question number 38. Which among the following is not a layer of adenohypophysis? The right answer is option 4, pars nervosa. Question number 39. A patient came with the complaint of breathing difficulty. The complaints were associated with cough which was croupy in nature. He had a sensation of plug in the throat. The complaints are aggravated by bending head backward. There was a history of suppressed skin eruption. Which remedy among the option is correct prescription? The right answer is option 1, Hepasulf. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 जो है वो थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल या थोड़ा सा वो क्रैमिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हम कह सकते हैं, और ये मैच द फॉलोइंग है। तो ऑब्वियसली इसमें आपको देख सकते हैं 2 लिस्ट दी है, लिस्ट ए एंड लिस्ट बी, जिसकी आपको मैचिंग करनी है। हम ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन में नहीं पड़ते हुए मैं सीधे आपको इसका राइट आंसर जो है, राइट ऑप्शन जो है वो बताती हूँ। इसका राइट ऑप्शन है 2। वो कैसे हैं? बुडैक इज पोस्ट कॉलम ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, बूसिया इज चीक, कैपट इज 3 हेड, calcar is spur. Question number 41. A patient comes with single hypopigmented anesthetic patch with satellite lesions on forearm. Most likely diagnosis is, right answer is tuberculoid leprosy. Question number 42. The patchy changes present in the tunica intima of arteries due to accumulation of cholesterol are referred to as? The right answer is option 2, atheroma. Question number 43. A patient came with the complaint of ptosis and headache with proptosis. The patient had bilateral presentation of symptoms. On examination, the patient looked ill and febrile. What will be the probable diagnosis? Again, a diagnosis based question. The right answer is option 2, cavernous sinus thrombosis. Question number 44. Epidemic dropsy is caused by consuming. The right answer is argemone oil. Question number 45. A very interesting question, radiology based. A patient complained of severe painful mass present in the proximal part of bone in the lower limb with fever. Lab report indicates increased in ESR. In radiological finding, the bone appear as moth-eaten. What will be this case of? The right answer is option 2, Ewing sarcoma. Question number 46. Railway spine refer to which of the following types of injuries to the spinal cord? Right answer is option 3, concussions. Question number 47. A female patient came with the complaint of acrid excoriating leukorrhea which gushes during the day and night. The complaint usually aggravates before and after menses. Which remedy should be given? The right answer is graphitis. Question number 48. In which of the following syndromes the lateral medulla is affected? The right answer is option 4, Wallenberg syndrome. Question number 49. Hinox-Conlin purpura is characterized by the deposition of which of the following immunoglobulin in the blood vessels? The right answer is option 2, IgA. Question number 50. Ethanol is chemically. Right answer is monohydrate. Question number 51. What is the velocity of signal conduction in a cardiac murmur? The right answer is 0.3 to 0.5 meter per second. Question number 52. A patient came with the complaint of fever with chill, myalgia, nausea, vomiting, and marked prostration. On examination, petechiae and ecchymosis were observed over the body. What is the diagnosis? The right answer is option 1, plague. You observe number of diagnosis based question in this question paper. Question number 53. A patient with history of ovarian tumor suddenly reports acute hypogastric pain with a lump. Which of the following is likely to cause palpitation of abdomen, reveal tenderness and cystic mass in the patient? The right answer is torsion of ovarian pedicle. Question number 54. Which among the following sign is positive in DVT? The right answer is option 2, Homan sign. Number 55. Which hereditary disease cause both mesodermal and ectodermal dysplasia? The right answer is option 4, Marfan syndrome. Question number 56. A child complained of nasopharyngitis, fever, petechial rash, headache, neck rigidity, vomiting and slow pulse. Kernick sign and Budzinski sign are positive. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is option 3, meningococcal meningitis. Question number 57. A child of 4 months of age was brought with the complaint of high fever with skin vesicles and peeling of adjacent reddened area. The lesions were dry and scaly. What is the diagnosis of child health problem? The right answer is scalded skin syndrome. A patient comes with the complaint of soreness in the bladder along with sharp sticking pain in the bladder, especially on the right side. He has history of frequent urination which disturbed his sleep. The urine would be turbid with mucus deposits present. What could be the probable remedy? The right answer is lithium carbonate. Question number 59. The bones that are found in young fetal bones and are common in reptiles and amphibians are called as? They are called as fibrous bone. Question number 60. A patient came with the complaint of dreams of quarreling with dead sister or friend. What will be the remedy? The remedy would be Cedron. Question number 61. Chromoproteins are classified under dash protein. Conjugated protein is the right answer. Question number 62. Which among the following procedure is done for Hirschsprung's disease? The right answer is option 3, Dumoul's procedure. Question number 63. A patient comes with the complaint of fever with severe throat pain, difficulty to swallow and inability to open mouth. Drooling is also present. Upon examination, the tongue was observed to be dry with redness in tonsils and peritonsillar area. Tonsils pushed downward and medially uvula shifted to opposite side and congested. What is the probable diagnosis? Again a diagnosis based question. The right answer is peritonsillar abscess. Here you are given with some of the following number series and you are required to calculate the median value, which you may calculate by using median formula by reading your statistics book. But such questions are usually asked in AYUSH NET but not asked in UPSC homeopathy MO papers. So you can skip this question right now, but if you are preparing for NET, you must do it. Question number 65. A patient of 45 years came with a complaint of fever, severe arthralgia. He had pain in small joints. The pain was causing him to bend. These complaints were accompanied by chills, headache, anorexia, nausea, abdominal pain, rash, petechiae, and photophobia. Lab investigations showed leukopenia, mild thrombocytopenia, elevated transaminase, and CRP. What is the diagnosis of this case? The right answer is chikungunya virus infection. Number 66. The type of pelvis predisposed to occipital posterior position is anthropoid. Question number 67. With which of the below is the Conn syndrome not associated? The right answer is option 1, edema. Question number 68. A 26-year-old married woman had infertility and amenorrhea. She was found to be karyotype of 46XY. There was underdeveloped breast with pale areola. There was absence of pubic hair. Investigation report shows serum E2 level to be high and serum LH to be slightly elevated. What will be the diagnosis of this case? The right answer is option 2, testicular feminization. Question number 69. A patient comes with the complaint of mid-menstrual period. Pain is situated in the hypogastrium and iliac fossa. Unilateral pain is present, which rarely lasts more than 12 hours. There is no history of nausea and vomiting. The complaints are accompanied by slight vaginal bleeding and excessive mucoid discharge. What is the probable diagnosis? It is Mittelschmerz syndrome. Option 1 is right. Question number 70. In which year homeopathic pharmacopoeia was published in Germany and USA? The right answer is 1825. Question number 71. A Paris female patient of age 40 had symptoms of menorrhagia, dysmenorrhea, dyspareunia, and frequent urination. MRI revealed ZZ thickness of greater than 12 nanometer. What is the diagnosis? Adenomyosis. Question number 72. The most common tumor affecting the parotid gland is pleomorphic adenoma. Option 1 is right. Question number 73. Polarimeter is used for determining option 4 optical rotation. Question number 74. Which drug antidote mercurius inhalation, lead, colic, oil of turpentine, and especially the effect of B? The right answer is Nux moscata. Question number 75. Which of the following statement is incorrect about axon? The incorrect statement is option 3. It contains both neutrophil and Nissl granules. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 में आपको एक नंबर सीरीज दी है जिसमें आपको मोड निकालना है. आप देख के बता सकते हैं कि 23 विल बी द मोड. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है ये, आप इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. लेकिन ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आयुष नेट में या CCRH रिसर्च ऑफिसर का जो पेपर होता है वहाँ पे रिसर्च बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आते हैं. उनकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी और स्टैटिस्टिक्स की प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ती है. तो ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स के क्वेश्चन हैं. अभी यूपीएससी होम्योपैथिक एमओ का जो पेपर होने वाला है 20 दिसंबर को, उसमें रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी या स्टैटिस्टिक्स के बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं. वहाँ पे आपको होम्योपैथिक एंड अलाइड पार्ट के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, तो आपको उन पे अभी स्ट्रेस देना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. Which among the following statement is incorrect? The incorrect statement is option 3. Striated muscle is of spindle shape. Question number 78. Which of the following organelles is without a limiting membrane? The right answer is option 4. Ribosomes. Number 79. Which is the important glycosamine glycan that is found in the ground substance of synovial fluid of joint, in the vitreous humor of eyes, and that form a gel around ovum? The right answer is option 3. Hyaluronic acid. Question number 80. In case of a 32-year-old woman with a history of menorrhagia, the diagnosis of fibromyoma was made. Which option is correct for fibromyoma considering the three statements? First statement is composed of smooth muscles and fibrous connective tissue. This is true. Statement 2, common in multiparous. False. Statement 3, progesterone dependent tumor. False. Question number 82. A child of 2 years of age came with the complaint of fever, neck stiffness, photophobia and altered consciousness level. Investigations showed hypokalemia and causative organism Streptococcus pneumonia. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is option 2, meningitis. Question number 83. A child develops acute renal failure following an episode of diarrhea. The blood examination show marked reduction in the platelet count and anemia. What is the probable diagnosis? The probable diagnosis is option 1, hemolytic uremic syndrome. Question number 84. A patient came with the complaint of severe pain in the eyes, lacrimation, photophobia and blurred vision. He was using contact lens for past 3 months. He used to clean it using distilled water. The complaint have started after that. What will be the probable diagnosis? The right answer is option 1, acanthamoeba keratitis. Question number 85. Second volume of Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India HPI was published in option 3, 1974. Question number 86. What is the incubation period of gonorrhea? Option 1, 3 to 7 days. Question number 87. Globules are manufactured in a machine called as. The right answer is option 2, coating pan. Question number 88. A patient of 60 years came with the complaint of uterine prolapse. Earlier she had a history of irregular menses and headache. Now she complained of increased appetite. Even though she would not eat enough, she would have an all-gone sensation and feel pain in the abdomen. What is the probable remedy? The right remedy is sepia. Option 1 is right. Question number 89. A female patient came with the complaint of shallow ulcers on vulva. The lesion started as multiple vesico-pustule. Upon examination, inflammation was observed to be present in the vulva and had tenderness on palpation. Patient complained of foul, purulent and hemorrhagic discharge. What is the probable diagnosis? The right answer is option 1, chancroids. Question number 90. The vehicle for liniment is. The right answer is option 1, vegetable oil. Thanks for watching.